This video will go over how to use Cisco Webex to join the Power Obesity Clinic virtual meetings every Monday at 1 p.m. There are 5 ways you can join the meeting: using the Cisco Webex app with the meeting link, using the Cisco Webex app without the meeting link, scanning a QPR code, using an email link directly, or dialing in on your smartphone. To use the Cisco Webex app on your laptop or computer, download it from the Cisco Webex website. Begin by choosing Google Chrome or Internet browser of choice. Google search Cisco Webex Mac download if you're using a Mac, or Cisco Webex Windows download if you're on Windows. For Mac, select the first option of Cisco Webex download. Then from here, scroll down to the left side where it says Download for Mac OS, or if you're using Windows, Download for Windows. On Mac, it will download to the lower left corner of your screen. Wait for it to load and then select the download. It will prompt you a thank you message with instructions to follow. Again, select the download on the lower left corner and follow the setup instructions shown in the window pop-up. Select the icon, follow the terms of use, install and enter your device password, and you're ready to go. To download the app on your smartphone, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and type in Cisco Webex. From here, select the download icon for the first app that pops up, Cisco Webex Meetings. Download, open, and you're ready to go. After downloading the app, you can now open your meeting with the link. Simply open the email that contains the meeting link and click on that link to start. When using your laptop, open up the email, select the link, select Open Cisco Webex Start, and on Mondays at 1 p.m. it will let you in. On your smartphone, open up the email that contains the meeting link, select the meeting link, and it will direct you towards the app that you had already downloaded, and at Mondays at 1 p.m. it will let you in. After downloading the app on your device, you can also join without the link and instead use the meeting credentials that are listed here and at the end of the video. When using a laptop or computer, select the app icon seen here on the left side. Under Join a Meeting, enter in the credentials. For this meeting, it is 805-613-196, and the password is Obesity. During regular meeting times Monday at 1, it will let you in. When using an iPhone, select the app, select Join a Meeting, enter in the same credentials 805-613-196 with password Obesity, and it will let you in. You can also join the meeting by using the camera app on your smartphone and scanning the QPR code. Open the camera app on your phone. Aim the camera to the QPR code and select the browser link that pops up on top. This will take you to the meeting link directly. You can also join the meeting using the link without having to use the app. On your laptop or computer, open up the email that contains the meeting link, copy the meeting link, and paste it into a new tab. From here, you'll be prompted with a window to either cancel or open with the app. Simply press cancel, and select Join from your browser on the middle of the screen. From here, you enter in your information, including your name and email address you have signed up. And on Mondays at 1 p.m., it will let you into the meeting. On your smartphone, open up the email that contains the link, press down on the link until you have the option to copy it, select Copy, go to Safari or your web browser of choice. On the top, paste it in the search bar, paste and go, select Cancel when prompted to open in the app, and then you can enter in your credentials and join the meeting. And the last option is to dial in on your cell phone. You will have audio, but you will not have video available to you. Just as you would make a regular phone call, dial the phone number 1-855-797-9485. You will then hear an automated message in which it will ask you to enter your meeting or access code, and that is 805-613-196, and then make sure you press the pound sign afterwards in order to go through to the meeting. Now that you have successfully joined your meeting, here are a couple of key functions to know when you're on a computer or laptop. Before entering the meeting room, you will be in your personal room where you can control your audio and video. The red button on the left controls your audio, and the red button on the right controls your video. When they are red, they are off. So here, my audio and my video will be off before starting and entering the meeting. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind here. On the very far right side, you will see the list of participants, including your own name. You will see if you are muted, there will be a red microphone next to your name. I am muted, and if I would like to unmute it, I can simply click on the red button and it will turn gray. And now, when I speak, everyone can hear me. You can also do the same controls on the bottom. Again, on the left side is the microphone button, and when it's red, your audio is off, but if you click it, your audio will be on. To mute yourself again, simply click on the gray button so it turns red. Same thing with the camera. When it is red, it is off. But if I want to start my video, simply click on it, and when it is gray, you will see the video will be on. My face is not in the screen, but if you would like to have your face in the screen, simply point the camera at your face. To turn the camera off, just click on the button again until it is red. To end the meeting, on the far right side, click the red X button, select it, and another window will pop up where you can confirm you are ending the meeting. The same thing applies when you're using your smartphone to join the meetings. You will begin in your personal room where you can control whether your audio and video is on or off. Your phone will show that it's connecting to audio, and when it's connected, it should automatically mute. But the same rules apply. When you are muted, your button will be red. When you are unmuted, it will be gray. And to mute it again, simply press the gray button until it turns red. On the right side of the audio microphone button is the camera button. Currently, it's red, so you cannot see me. However, if I select it, a window pops up and I have the choice to either start my video or simply just tap outside of that window to ignore it, and your video will not be seen when you join the meeting. During the meeting, you can make sure your audio or video is on or off depending on what is needed based on the color. Red is off and gray is on. To turn off, simply just tap until it's red again. And finally, to exit the meeting, press the red X on the right side and click End Meeting.